Okay. Let's see. What's working and what's not working? Looks like my mic's working, so that's good. Music is working, that's good. I checked the cameras earlier. The one that I can't get, I have all the printers up here. The one that I can't get working is this one. Richard. I can't get it showing just the video or the slicer page or this page. Anyways, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All loaded up. The one that we're going to be focusing on the most over the next little bit is Triumph, for sure. Because Triumph is just kind of funky. The screen is messed up. It's giving me the NHK errors like crazy. Couple things I want to dial in with the box turtle. So I want to slowly sort through all those things and get them going. I wonder. We'll just play around with this while we wait for some people to come in. Oh, I also wanted to add, I want to find a handlebar mount for a GoPro or a DJI Hero. For my e-scooter. I can wear my chest mounted thing, but it would be cool to have a handlebar mounted one. But first, oh, did I change the, I don't think I changed the actual, uh-oh. Shoot, what's it actually called? Goose Belt. Let me link that one. Hopefully that new title shows up. I swear I'm new to this. Hey, Mike. I just changed the title. I screwed it up. Did the title change or did it fix itself? I don't know. How's it going? Oh yeah, okay, it changed. Okay. How you doing today? How was your golf? Your disc golf? You said it was fun. You'll probably go back tomorrow, I think you said, right? That's pretty awesome. I gotta get out this year for sure. Oh yeah, that's still something I gotta fix too. Oh well. Came in fourth. Nice, dude. There you go. Is it close to you? It's got to be fairly close. Do you have any guess why this isn't working for me? Does yours work when you try and pull up your CC? Mine gives me the temperatures here, but the video feed doesn't work. And it doesn't ever tell me any information when I'm printing or anything. And that's the same in the slicer. So I'm kind of like, I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, nothing. Nothing when I hit the play button. I used to be able to pull the feed, and that's how you guys could watch Richard. Like, I would just switch to... Look how crazy that is. It's working now. I can get the video feed if I pull the address, like the actual video address. I can get it to work, like just in OBS, but not on, like not here. It's so confusing. I can't believe that's working now though. That's good. Put a new sticker in there. Yeah, fire it up and see if yours is working. Either in the slicer or... I don't know, will this... I don't think that'll change my experience. Yours works with just the IP? What the heck? And you're on Open Centauri as well, right? I always forget that. To put the everyone in there. I don't really like bugging people, but come on, it's my server. Works in the slicer too. Yo, Piled, what's up? What's up? As soon as I get some semi-reliable multicolor, I'm gonna send those maker chips and see how they turn out. What is going on here? I didn't ask you to connect to 9.9. Elegoo link in the slicer. Now it won't even let me connect to this. Trying to connect to here. Even though up here it says 100. Oh, come on. And it's a piss off because I can't access my time lapses. I mean, I could, yeah, I could try just Orca. I could definitely try just Orca, but you would think it would work in the browser though. The fact that it's not working in the browser, I just rebooted it before I turned on the stream. But yeah, I thought about that too. But the fact that it's not working just in the browser doesn't make me feel good that it's going to work in any slicer. But watch this. I know. All it shows is the temperature. So it's somewhat connecting, but I don't know what's missing. Dope sticker though, eh? Let me see. Okay. So if I come back here and we go, oh my goodness, we go here. Look at that. I can get the damn camera feed to work, but not here. How does that even make sense, bro? What is the broken connection? I would have to go through and see what, like ports or something like that? but I can get the camera to work here using this address. Wait a second. Damn it. Thought I was going to be smart there. I don't know, bro. Anyways, I'm not going to spend too much time on this right now. But slicer. And go where? Under the device? I don't see that as an option. Like it used to be the little thingy here. Maybe I should just try and put it in Orca. Yeah, I think it's automatically using the elegoo link. That's why I don't have the option like the wireless symbol or the Wi-Fi symbol here. Bastard. I think I might have actually already added it to Orca. Orca, you get out of here. I'll talk to you later. Wait, oh shit. No, that's fine. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's dope to have them all connected. It's been... Well, I could have done this a little while ago, but it's been time since I was able to have them all connected. And then Pulsar. Big shout out goes to Pulsar 3D and Brian, but we'll talk about that. We will talk about that. Orca, 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 can't you see? Remind me later. Yeah, I already did. It. Let's try again. Oh, it's working correctly. That's freaking phenomenal. Grand. That's just grand. Nope. There's so many now. I remember when there was only a few. Jeez. Anyways, that sucks. Okay. I'm a little frustrated that I didn't put the frickin' the wave share in Triumph when I was underneath it. That's just pure laziness on my side. It would have taken me like 5 minutes to put the wave share in, and then I would have had the camera. But with the U2C, it's kind of like this. With the U2C, it's going to free up a USB port so I can use the camera. Then all the USB ports will be maxed, but I don't want to really add any other stuff. Oh shit. How does the Goose Belt connect? No, that's just a GPIO pin, isn't it? Yeah, so I kick myself because I can't look at the camera right now, but on the same time, it's like, oh well, because I'm getting the U2C soon. Yeah, I had space under there. I could have put it in. Where'd my phone go? Let me just see where this thing is. I just wanted to get that quick before I went into other things. Oh wow, I'm the next stop. That's dope. So it's like, should be here any minute, and then we can start going over that stuff. Oh, my bad. I caught that one quick. Because I actually have it sitting right next to me this time. But what I was saying is it's cool because I have my big vertical monitor that you guys know about in the center. And on the top half, I've got the UFC on. And then the bottom half, I've got the Discord. So while I'm messing around tonight, I can watch that. I'll probably pop the hockey up there too. I'm always watching multiple sports at the same time. Okay. But yeah, with the U2C, I don't think I'll have to worry. Because it's nice, obviously, seeing Ivy here. We got some... Oh, what we can do, actually, we'll go to the wide camera. Did I already... I don't think I've streamed since I came back from Brian's, have I? Sunday. Did you guys see what I brought back from Brian's? Or no? You remember, Mike? Were you here? I can't remember. Damn, that's what happens when I don't stream for so long. Let's go have a look. I don't know if you guys saw. This is crazy. The Artemis 2 stuff. Godspeed. That's crazy. Godspeed. I'll be watching that live. Wow. No, I won't. Depending on what time I get off work. Did you guys see the filament that I got back or no? 11 days ago. When was I at Brian's? I was at Brian's on Sunday, wasn't I? Yeah, I don't think you guys saw. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that for now. While we wait for this to show up. Oh, yeah. I showed you guys that from his house when I was there messing around with the big printer. And moving filament. So, let's see. So this is actually... I got... So I got a big boy mirror. A big boy mirror for an astrophotography. For an astrophotography telescope dedicated. And then a big boy secondary mirror. So that's awesome. And we got 1 kilogram of the PET G rose. I love this color. Let's go through that stuff first. So we got another kilo of the PET G rose. The idea is to make the majority of the scope PET G rose. So 3 kilos of the PET G rose. I think there's one more of that. I do believe there's one more. Yeah. 4 kilos of the PET G rose. One kilo of ABS rose. I should turn on this. Of course, I didn't turn on this screen. Oh, I bet, Mike, that sucks. So that's the ABS. And we've got ABS Pro Black. Oh, the excuse me, PET GCF in black. That's that really nice stuff that I usually do the baffles in. Really nice. I love that stuff. Then this ABS multicolor, the burnt titanium. I don't know if you... I'm not sure. You're in Brian's Discords, but I don't know if you saw Mateo, I don't know if you saw Mateo post that, this color. It's freaking gorgeous how glittery it is. So ABS burnt titanium. And then we've got this, oh, I think this was still left over from before. Silk green, light green. Silk filament, light green. That's what we got this time. And then I still have a couple rolls of transparent blue and transparent red. So that's where we stand with filament right now. And then whatever we've got kicking over there. And on the spools. So. Hey, 3D printer. How's it going, dude? Yeah, I can't wait to print it, Mike. I'm excited for that one. I'm definitely excited for that one. So that's where we stand. I think I should probably do it this way, actually. Yeah, stacking them this way so I can pull them out is smarter. So yeah, that's where we stand with Tundra 3D. I'm excited. I have Joker kind of set up in the astrophotography. I think I sent a photo, but I don't know if I I don't think I showed it on stream. How I have Joker just kind of roughly set up right now. There's two over there. There's more slots. Oh, that's really cool. That would be awesome to play with. You could do like scientific stuff with that. That's really neat. I have this weird filament that I will play with, but it's effing weird, man. It's flexible PLA, but it like I think that's what it is. But it cracks and breaks, so it's hard to print with. I love neat filament like that. So that's where we stand with stuff from Brian. I can't wait to make another scope, especially for astrophotography specifically. And like these mirrors are crazy. These mirrors are just insane. So I'll bring Joker over to just give you a quick idea. I think maybe my package got delivered. I heard someone out there messing around, and I heard, just one sec. Let me just check my camera for a second here. I want to see what the hell just happened. Oh, it was... yeah, that's funny. Get this to come up higher. Thank you. Neither had I. Brian asked me to take half a kilogram and give it a shot, but I had never heard of it before. Flexible PLA, it's weird. Bum, bum, bum. $95A? I have $95A over there. Black stuff. That's what I typically use if I'm using any type of TPU. The $95A. TPU and Ninja Flex. What's Ninja Flex? Hulk? Hell yeah, of course. Awesome telescope. Okay. Let me just quickly show you Joker, how I have it set up. It'll give you an idea of the telescope that I'm going to be building, except on a much bigger mount and a much bigger telescope. But for now, you can get an idea of what an astrophotography rig looks like. I think I only sent a photo of this, but now I can kind of actually tell you. There we go. So we'll just go over this quickly because this isn't really on the topic of what I wanted to get to today. There's going to be a lot more telescope stuff to come again. So this is obviously Joker. Joker. What we have here is an equatorial mount. This is responsible for pointing the telescope wherever you want in the night sky. The reason it's equatorial is because the way this is home is pointing towards Polaris. So what it does is it counteracts the rotation of the Earth, etc. Things you can look up and read about, and I'll go over more as we get further into it. But it's a counterweight here to counteract the weight of the telescope. And this moves multi-axis, so this telescope can flip all around. It's kind of cool. So that's the main where the main photo's coming from. And this is the camera right here attached to where the eyepiece usually goes. And then you've got a filter wheel right here that you can house a filter in. Right now I've just got a UV filter in there, UV IR cut. Here is another telescope. This right here is another telescope. It's called your, what is it? Finder scope? Not finder scope, but, oh my gosh, why am I drawing a blank right now? Is it gonna tell me right here? No. Anyways, it's a much smaller scope that is your tracking scope, basically. So this tells the mount where to point, like how much to adjust in certain directions. So this is the telescope that does that, focuses on the stars, tells the rest of the rig, we'll keep it simple, it tells the mount slightly where to move to keep in alignment so it tracks correctly. And then this is the second camera. So one camera, two cameras, one scope, two scopes. All of that is controlled by a mini PC back here. You've got a mini PC that you can't really see. I'll check the comments in a sec here. But anyways, there's a mini PC back here, Melee 4C. And what that is control camera, and then the software that are taking the images in. Did you? Oh, you. Thank you. So yeah, there's software on here that I've uploaded, or downloaded, sorry, and installed that controls how many photos, where it's pointing, the sequence, when it changes, all of it. Onward. So this is plugged in, this is plugged in, the mount is plugged in all to the computer. And then external to that, there's a dew heater that I have wrapped around the mirror cell that keeps the mirror at a reasonable temperature so it doesn't dew up as quickly or at all. And yeah, And there's a dew heater on this secondary scope as well, because this is where the glass is, whereas this is where the mirror is in this scope. So a 60A resin stuff. That's dope. I want to try resin printing at some point. But the scope that I'm building is going to be as big as Big Blue. Huge. And so the mount needs to be exponentially bigger, which is the mount that I showed you guys a picture of that I was lent by a friend of mine. The mount alone is worth like $3 grand. So it's, to get into this type of doing it, it's interesting. It can get expensive real effing quick. So that's why I'm blessed to have people. I'm lucky, blessed, whatever you want to call it, to have people in my life like Brian. Oh. And Baleo. And this community. What the hell? So, we're going to be building another crazy telescope is basically what that whole spiel was about. And in order to do that, I need both of these machines working well. At least one of them working like really, really, really well, while the other one we can kind of F with. But they're going to be kind of side-by-side comparisons. I'm going to do the A4T on the first thing. We're going to go like steps. I'm going to do the A4T on Triumph with the U2C. I'm going to fix this screen. I don't know whether I'm going to stay with Clipper screen. That Apex one looked kind of cool. I think I might just stick with it, but I want to fix that so it works correctly. So where I press on the screen, it actually presses. I fixed it once, but the next time I turned it on, it fell back to what it was. So we're going to do the A4T with a cutter on Triumph. That's going to be number one with the U2C. Getting the box turtle and the tool head on can, because why not? And number two is going to be likely, yeah, not even likely. Number two is going to be A4T on Ivy, but we're just going to throw a USB cable at it and see how they react together, how they do. See if that solves, say, for example, so on Ivy, say that solves the toolhead board issues, but then I get the turtle MCU issues only. Then we've kind of narrowed things down to, okay. Or say the opposite when we do CAN. It's going to be really cool to have them both side by side, USB, CAN, and compare them. I know I had said that way back, but I kind of strayed from that into the zone of I just want them effing working instead of learning. And then I had a conversation with Baleel, and it just makes sense to compare them. You've got them both such different but such similar machines. It's going to be cool to go through it and learn, I think. Yeah, it definitely shines with the tiny stuff like the minis and the heavy detail stuff. Sorry, 3D Printer Shack. I hopped off and went on my own tangent there. Ninja Flex is super flexible, acts like spaghetti when it's on the spool. Oh, really? Is it easy to print or no? And Helix screen, Mike showed it to me. It's a different Clipper screen kind of variant, but it's cool the way it shows everything on the screen. It's like modernized. It's like it's supposed. Don't you have to do it? It's like modernized. It's like it's supposed to be. Ooh, come on, just give me a little bit, you bastard. I love how I talk to my camera. It must be so weird. There we go. But yeah, it's like this, it's like this, I don't know how to describe it. Like, you've got your normal screen, which it looks cool. Like, it looks... But to me, it looks outdated. It looks played out. You can make it look so much cooler. And that's what this Helix screen does with the MMU unit all incorporated and everything. And I don't know, it's worth the look up for sure. No endorsements, but... And I don't even know if it works well. Oh, they have ones with actual spec. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Like, spec, bang, this is what it prints and that's all. Yeah, it does work great, Mike, and you've been using it for a little while now, so I trust that. That's pretty cool. You might have to play with that. Put one on, one off. That's pretty neat. Okay. Let us hop over to the bench and we'll have a look at some stuff. Bang! I'm just gonna leave you for a second to look at that. Oh, baby. Coupon code is in the description of the video, brother. I should mention that at the beginning of every stream. What? Heck yeah. It's in the description of the video. For use on select items. They can do other materials, but need to be cleaned and swapped. Ah, okay, okay. That's kind of cool, though. You just swap out a nozzle and clean it a little bit, and you're rocking. All right, one sec. Okay. I sure am. All right. Let's see. So, big shout out, huge shout out to Brian at 10 Telescopes. I have no idea why this even happened, but I really appreciate him. And massive shout out to Trev at Pulsar, aka Balil. So if you guys want to buy something, get it from Pulsar. If you want to buy a telescope, get it from Brian. Great people, great people. So let's start with the one that we know is kind of obvious. What in the hell? This is used. That's disgusting. Got residue and shit all over it. And then look at this end. Yeah. This is from Amazon. This is not from this is not from Brian or Blair. This has been installed and then pulled out. I'm curious if these pins come clipped even. I don't really remember these pins all being clipped. But I don't know if you guys could see that residue and then the shit on the end here. And then how these are all loose. Okay. And it's missing the fucking connectors and the bag is ripped open. All right, well, I'll reach out to them and get them to send me a replacement. I should probably do that like right now. Shit like that pisses me off. It's so unnecessary. That would take 1 second of quality control when the product is returned. Give me 1 sec. I'm dealing with this right effing now. It'll only take me a minute. We don't play that here. All right, guys, just bear with me. I'm just gonna deal with this in 2 seconds. I hear that. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. You would think someone would reopen the box when it got back to Amazon. I mean, I'm pretty sure this was fulfilled by, like, sold by... We can look at this right after now. Okay, that's... The last one was perfect. This is the second one I've ordered from this guy. But King print, that's questionable right off the hop. I'm just gonna get on with customer support real quick, and they'll probably just say, no problem, we'll ship you another one. We'll see, though. Or I might have to refund it. I won't spend too long dealing with this. I just want to get it dealt with right now, though. Hey, JC, how's it going? No obligation to, because it's sold on behalf of someone else? Wow. Yeah, I guess it's, I mean, it's crazy because when you go to like product support and then say get help about product, it takes you right to Big Tree Tech. Get help from Big Tree Tech. So maybe this King print is a subsidiary so they can sell in Canada or who knows what. But it directs you right to Big Tree Tech. Or maybe that's just their way of not dealing with anything. So just the normal options are refund to your Visa when you return the product. So I would have to return, but stuff like this pisses me off a little bit. I know I should just brush it off, return it, and wait 4 days or whatever, 2 days, and order another one and I pay. I don't like to fuck around like that. I apologize for the language. I really don't. I'll only deal with this for a couple minutes. If it doesn't get very far, I'll deal with it tomorrow. I hear that. Some big ones. That's awesome. Good for you. You've been designing anything along the way, or just focusing on printing stuff, or how's that going? On a mini toolbox. That's awesome. And then printing some stuff for your girl. There you go. That's always necessary. That'll always happen. Always. That's pretty cool, man. Still loving it? I'm really enjoying the designing aspect of it. Like, I love the printing, of course, but it's so cool designing something and seeing it come to fruition. Sometimes it's tough beating yourself up through the iterations, but once you see something come through, it's neat. I want to get something printing, like, soon. So I'm gonna spend a couple more minutes on this, hop back on the bench, go through what we got, its awesomeness, and then we're gonna set up the Neptune 4 Pro with some ABS Pro, probably. I don't know if I have any ASA. I hope I have ASA. Shit. If I have ASA, then we'll put the ASA on, and then we'll get to printing some A4T parts. Knitted cat. I have knitted bears everywhere. Knitted cat, that's awesome. Anycubic Cobra, 3V2, and a CC1. Awesome. Waiting for the AMS system for the CC1. It'll come out. I mean, people have been talking about it for a while, man, and that one makes me feel like crap, because I sold other friends based on the fact they believed that I said the CC1 was gonna get AMS soon. So that one kicks the crap out of me. Probably sold 5 or 6 friends that you guys have never even associated with, like friends in real life and friends, I don't know, whatever, but so I'm hoping it comes out within the next 6 months. Will it? In my thoughts, no. I don't think we'll... I want to say I think we'll see it, but I don't know. I don't know. I haven't looked deep into it as far as dates or anything in the last probably few months. Okay, I think that's dealt with. Let me just get this last message from him and then I'll let you know what the outcome is. Heck yeah, the Neo, I don't know if you're still here 3D printed, but the Neo, that's dope. I mean, 20th time, 25th time. Get it working. Get her done. Oh, Triumph, you have a camera, but I can't see it. Ow. All right, so I guess we get to see if that one works. They're gonna refund me without having to return it. Mike, your box turtle's working? Yeah. Seems to work when I'm streaming. Funny. Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, that's good. So I guess that, reseller or whatever is probably going to get some shit from Amazon, or nothing at all. And they just move on with their life. Because in all honesty, I don't really need those connectors, do I? As long as the frickin' thing works, I can use something else. I think we said I could even Wego it or something. But as long as as long as this thing's not screwed, we're fine. Let's put that away. Okay. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully it just works nicely. And then so we've got that, and then we've got these fans. I've got another set of these fans coming in the morning, and silicone belts. So that'll take care of this and this, I believe. The silicone belts. I don't think I need anything else for the goose purger. Not that I saw on the website. Now we've got. Look at this. That's dope as heck. Are those, what size blades are those? Are those pre-cut, or are those a certain size of blade? Or are those hobby number 4 but pre-cut? Oh, I was just saying I think all I need in addition to this is the printed parts and the silicone belt. Because this is the motor with the flippity, right? Pre-cut. Did you cut them? That's kind of dope. That must have been a hell of a lot of work. And this thing has the flip 4. That's pretty neat. That's super neat. Printed parts, some bolts, 3 bearings. Okay, okay. Like proper size bearings? Or I'll have to check. I know I have a couple bearings. And some magnets. I'll have to go on the thing and check the actual bomb. Like, I wonder if they're like bearings or like little bearings. Because I have these. Okay. Oh shit, there's already a blade in there. Look at that, eh? That's dope. Six, 8, 3. Oh, like, yeah, like little ones. Wait. Didn't I just order a bunch of those? I swear that's what these are. Maybe. Loosen the screws and add blue lock plate. Okay. Pretty sure I have Loctite somewhere. Oh. It's a very nice little kit. Really? $125. That's dope. There's just cables in there. There it is. All the shit is going to be solved, hopefully, by this. Heck yeah. Jumpers everywhere. There are so many jumpers. Oh, 1.3, that's sick. On CAN or USB? USB, oof, okay. Oh, I see, and you just move the jumper over. What are all those ones? That'll be cool to play around with. It'll be a learning process. I'm looking forward to it though. Okay, so that's what that all consists of. That's great. Did I say if I had ASA Pro down there? Did I say? Did I say? Come on. I thought I had ASA. ABS Pro. Oh, I guess these A4T parts are going to be printed for the first time in ABS. Is ABS Pro better? I mean, I think I already have ABS Pro. This is just ABS. What's the difference? Let's go to this view. Okay. This stuff can go. Yeah. ABS Pro. I want to do it in ASA, but that's too bad for now. To be honest, the next lots of things this is going to be printing are going to be Pet G. So I should be okay until I can get my hands on some ASA, I would think. What do you guys think? Oh, F. That's not great. The Revo. The Revo UF. UHF? No. High flow. Revo high flow. Yeah, Revo high flow. 0.6, 0.4. Triumph Voron, yes, correct. Yes, sir. I really want to have Ivy print some parts for Triumph. That would be like the dopest thing for me. Like, I would really like that. I know I can rely on this, but I would really love if we could get Gucci Man over here printing for her brother. Holy shit. Oh man, are we gonna do all of that on Triumph? Oh boy. Oh boy. Where's the rest of the boxes? I have so much freaking 3D printing parts now. CNC mount. Cartographer. Oh, fuck. More USB? So I'll have to, will I have to run this through my umbilical? Are you serious? Wait a second. So then I can use this one. And then it'll be like the tap. So it'll go from the carto to the toolhead board, right? Or whichever way. Yeah. From the carto to the toolhead board. Go to toolhead block. Okay. Oh man. I have the two. I was just looking at the two from from that SB, the SB toolhead board kit. Those are these ones, and then these ones are from this one. What were you saying? Connecting toolhead board to Carto, but you need to put a Sherlock connector on it. There's a Sherlock. Oh, great. IO.01. You're my G. I don't care what anyone says. You're my G. And then I need a Sherlock prick on this one. I'm so much better at just doing that than that. Bottom. Oh, the small side. Wait, what? But the big side fits too. Bottom right most? Like way down here? Okay. Oh, let's start printing some parts. Go. I hope you're going to be here for that whole stream. And because I start work Monday, my streaming is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be starting full time, right? So, but I really hope you're going to be here through that whole stream. We're going to get that fleet manager going. We're going to get freaking you're going to be so mad at me by the end of it. Oh, it's the specific spot for the USB can pass through. Okay. So I couldn't even mess around and use the IO. Whatever. Interesting. Wait. USB can. So the Carto's gonna be running on CAN? Is that what you're telling me? Oh shit. I guess it doesn't really matter. Everything's getting combined anyway. IL is just for stuff, right? And stuff. Mm-hmm. Ah, okay, okay. Like an on and off state kind of thing? As opposed to signal sending? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Didn't we talk about that already? The one that I just reuse the stealth burner stuff with. I thought we talked about that. No? Maybe? Maybe I missed that big time? What was the normal one that's just in all the pictures? If you're gonna tell me I can't reuse my motor, I'm gonna freak. Yeah, that one. The BMG one versus the G whatever. I don't know. I just see stuff like NEMA 14 and I have no idea what this is. Like I know terms like NEMA 14, NEMA 17. I don't know what is on the Vorons. Are they the same footprint or just... I don't know. I think the NEMA 17 is bigger, right? Alright. Let's start to send some stuff to printing. To be honest... I should probably print a calibration cube on Ivy so I can just see straight up and down what the 10-tooth round NEMA 14 pancake on the stock Voron stuff, the stealth burner stuff, or on the A4T. On the CW, sorry. It's hilarious that I actually did learn the difference between the entire stealth burner and the CW2 versus the Revo and etc. Like the CW2 is the extruder part and the top end. Top end, baby. So CW2, and that's compatible with the modular. so what do I want to do? I want to... What have I been using? Let's just pop this open, go over here. May as well print on both of them. Why not? Deal. Sounds good. Okay. So, we have Ivy. We've got Ivy and we've got Neptune 4 Pro. Let's print some A4T parts and get rocking. Actually, let's do this first. We have to have a small amount of ASA left, man, but it's such a small amount. I don't know. Are there any? Are there any parts that are small that like should be printed in ABS? Like really should be? I mean, sorry, ASA. I have a tiny bit left. Like, I don't even know if it's like one. Nah. It wouldn't even print very much at all. Okay. Boop. HE duct. Okay, let's see. Man, when I shaved, I left a little frickin' like 1-2 short hairs here that are stabbing my lip. Woo! I'm about to freak out. Oh yeah, the old void check and the old Wemyss and the old... I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. How much filament is that? Are you serious? 4.3 grams? Yeah, I got it. This is one of them. I appreciate that very much. I swear there's 4.3 grams there. Okay, let's heat it up. Actually, wow, we may as well do this. I swear there's 4.3 grams there, I hope. Picky. Hey Siri, set alarm for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Counting down.
Thanks, Bay. Okay. Uh, does this need to be strong or just like capable? Woo. It's gonna be interesting. Now, what I should do on here. How much is an orchid cube? 30 by 30 by 30. I never did fix Ivy's camera. Always summit. Summit. The goal of this all is to knock down a little bit of the summit. Okay, perfect. Perfect. What? Oh my God. What have I done? What have I done? Let's try that again. I'll check the other option this time. Oh fuck, no, I don't want to open it as a damn project. Cancel. I broke it. That's better. Yo, that's sick. I mean... close does it have to be? Oh, this is where the fans fit in, right? I remember Cody getting mad. We're gonna do this first. I hate doing calibration cubes. I effing hate it. Okay, we wait for a few. And then we'll send it. One sec. B-room. And see, I can't even use the screen right now to eject from. AC. What's that, lane 4? Yeah. I thank you. Still got to figure that out about this. Whoop. What is it hitting? There we go. I'll have to pull that PTFE tube back off the little one from the trigger spot to the extruder. I think maybe the top of it isn't chamfered perfectly. Anyways, we got it. Chamber temp 34. Send it. Chamber temp 27. Send it. Ivy's chamber temp skyrockets, man. I'll definitely be okay on that one. It's crazy. I haven't printed in like long time. 10 days, 11 days, 12 days, right around there. So clicking that print button, it felt weird, but it feels good. Chamber temperature. Did you know that Orca Slicer supports chamber temperature? Oh, thank you. Dope as hell. My printer doesn't. I mean, I guess I could make it, but I think we're all right. We'll go by the extruder temp. It's a good indication. Let's go. I'm gonna do this so we have a better view of Ivy. Because that 1-2 FPS is nonsense. That's good. Timer done. It's like I'm John Wick. Everyone's doing their thing. Does it still work? think I had Zon up there. Is that what it's actually doing right now? Oh, it is too. That didn't take long. That's nice to see. Filament just loaded on Ivy. It's heating up now. It'll do its whole XY home, and then it should start printing. Oh no. What did I send on that? Just tell me I sent the right thing on that. Okay, good. Just looked like it was starting a cube. Oh my goodness, what is this thing doing? Well, it's starting the print. Ivy's starting the print in Cat G, it looks like. There's the black. I guess I should have done more skirts. Whoop. Man, I love watching these Vorons rip. I really do. Well, darn, what's up? Oh, crap. Oof, that's never good. That's never good. Something you think you can replace or not worth it? Oh, there you go. Nice. Like an SKR or something? It's probably what I'll end up doing with the goo. Hey. Now you're talking. Two project printers, okay. I have Man, I don't know how many project printers I have at any given time. Part of the fun of it, I guess, right? pins work. We're gonna find out. Nope, doesn't look like it. It's close too. Yeah, I just figured that one out myself. Yeah, I hear you. I just effing hate pinning. Like my least favorite thing to do. I'll try it. I'll give it a whippersnap. Nice, that would be handy for sure. I mean, it's not difficult, it's just a pain in the butt sometimes. Oh fuck, especially with these little wires. That's why I was looking at this thing. I was like, I'm gonna just cut you up and solder you. We'll see. I still might. If this doesn't go in my favor quickly, I probably will. Wait, I got lots of cabling to do that with? What do you mean? If I run it USB at all, USB might be fucky. I mean, I'm gonna try the You talking about like this big cable? Or the long cable that came with it? This cable? If I need to. Or if you talk, are you talking if I use that cable to run it straight USB? Because that's wild. That is just wild talk. I like how, like, I'm fine with doing this cable here because I like how this is gonna connect just right to the tool head board, like the tap, like I'm used to. Yeah. Now I'm kind of starting to understand when I used to see people running like so many cables through an umbilical. I don't know if you've seen or if you've been seeing the progression of Decker and now the CPAP. It's pretty crazy. And then that big ass printer. Have Orange, I think he calls it. That thing is just insane. I was redoing soldering on it. Okay. Looks like we have a finished part. Last one. Don't do it. Come on. Fucking sucks. Major purge night? What's that? I remember those movies. I don't think that's what you're talking about, though. Alright. We have made ourselves a cable. Black, yellow, white, red. Beautiful. There's our Carto cable. Hadouken! So that will go... like I'm pouring out salt. So that's the CNC. That plugs in there. Bottom right. And then this bad boy. Oh, nice. There you go. That's always good. And that plugs in there. Then you've got your H36 and your Carto. That's freaking awesome. Pretty neat. Cartographer. Whoa, too much. Too much. Heck yeah. I still had to print a bunch of stuff, like a mount for the tool head, like for the cable strain stuff. We'll work through it one at a time, but I'm sure there's going to be stuff that pops up. Pretty dope. I'll unplug this board for now.
ideas.
Looks like something happened halfway through that, that cube. Something horrible. Oh, and the mount man. And the cartel mounts down there. That's pretty cool. Oh, I gotta mess with belts. Frig. I'm not looking forward to that. I mean, it's probably not gonna turn out to be anything crazy, but... something I haven't done before. Played with belts. I mean, I say I'm not looking forward to it, but I am. It's kind of fun. We'll see though. Oh yeah, something horrible happened in the middle there. That's crazy. I'll have to look closer at that. This part is small. I don't know, man. Did this print too tiny? It's hard to tell, until I get the part up against it. But it printed really nicely. Can't really see it from there. Super nice print. Oh shit, 2510. Do I have to order a 2510 fan? Damn it. Or is that already in the stealth burner? It's a really nice print. I wish I had my... No, I gave it back to Brian, even though he told me to keep the damn thing. I had a spare hot end that I could have held up against it. I don't have one anymore though, I gave it back to Brian, that sucked. I mean, I can compare it to something like this though. I have the blowers, but I didn't know I had to buy another 2010 or 2510 fan. I have the blowers. I got them things. Shit, I thought the, I'll have to look, but I thought there was a reason why I didn't buy one at the time. I don't know, man. Did this minimize itself or something? We'll see. We'll have to see when I actually get. I guess I could just, wouldn't take too long, would it? I've only done it 8,422 times to this point. Fart. Get the filament out properly. Not even gonna wait for this to cool down. Look at this thing. Look at that. Ripped in half. I don't know what the hell happened in there. It's like it stopped extruding for one layer. Like one entire layer. And then it did it again right near the top. A4T. A4T. Well, I can't even trust it to print parts. The quality is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. But if it's gonna screw up like that, can't happen. That's what I'm thinking. It actually encapsulates it. That makes sense. Focus. No? No? What if I hold it up near my face? I hate. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh. So stupid. And then it's behind the chat. Anyways. That print is so nice. Let's go here. But it misses a layer. I don't really want to heat it up and then... do. The stealth burner, it's such a nice looking tool head. It's just, bro. $45 rolls of PLA? What the hell, bro? Where do you keep all this filament? You have all that Galaxy stuff too. You must have like 100 rolls of filament. That's awesome. I'm jelly. Your Nighthawk was doing the what? The same thing? The comms disconnect? Oops. Oh, really? Did you figure out what it was? I mean, yes. Yeah, that makes sense. There you go. That sounds good, Mike. Once this begins, I'm going to be pretty reliant on the Neptune 4 Pro. Or do I put a 0.4 nozzle back on the elegoo? The CC. Come on, where's my... Oh man. Sometimes UFC is absolutely savage. That is all I'm gonna say. I hope that chick is okay. That is all I'm gonna say about that. I'm second guessing myself now whether to do it on Triumph or to do it on Ivy. I don't know. I think I should just keep going. But the whole board was wiggling. The whole board was loose. That'll do it. But anyways, we don't need that side right yet. I just want to have a look at this, and then I'm probably going to call it for the evening. Am I missing something? Yeah. Feels like I just built this. Oh yeah, that's because I did just build this. Yeah, looks like we're all good as far as this part goes, so I'm going to continue printing after I jump off, but that looks fine to me. Now, what fan is this? The 4510. So I need a little tiny fan. Is that what the 25 is? 25 one is? That's going to be pretty cool. No, on the front here, apparently it's a 2510. Oh, on this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Someone put a screw in that was too long in this one corner at one point. Bent a fin. All right. We got everything shown off. We got a part printed. I can at least still measure this square and see if I can try and get the ivy printing so it doesn't skip a layer, because this is really good quality printing and it would be nice to have ivy on the team. I'm also going to consider putting a 0.4 back in the elegoo. That's tough for me though. I really like the 0.8 in the CC. Okay, let me hop over to the computer. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is Triumph. Yes, I know it failed. That's because we're gonna be not talking to that one for a while. That's annoying. Really annoying. Skip the layer. That was gonna be a really perfect. I'll probably try another one. Just send it right again and see if it does it again. If it does it again, then I've got obviously something to look into. But anyways, Revo Mix 0.8. I hear that. Yeah. Triumph is 0.6, so it's kind of not too bad. Not too bad at all. I appreciate everyone for hanging out. I appreciate you guys for being back for my first stream in a while. I look forward to doing more. They will be more limited, like not more limited than the last 10 days have been. I've been having to concentrate on some things, but on Monday I start full time. So the first couple weeks aren't full time, but after that we're gonna be getting right into full time. So I'm going to adjust the schedule. I know I haven't been following the schedule, but I'm going to try, now that I'll be in a routine, like more of a forced routine, I think it'll be easier to get into a streaming routine. So look for those changes. And yeah. Revo, yeah, it's high flow. 0.6 high flow. All of the Revo ones, both of those ones are 0.4 and 0.6 high flow. But yeah, Mike, I appreciate you being here. Balil, I appreciate you for everything. Thank you very much. And I know Brian didn't stop in, but I appreciate him too. Big time, big time, big time. I look forward to what's coming. We got a whole shitload of content that is starting to back up a little bit, but I love it. It just means we got a lot to look forward to. So I'm glad you guys were around. Thank you very much, and have a great evening.